Welcome to Codeflix. Today we're learning how to change MAC addresses in Linux. MAC addresses are unique identifiers for network interfaces, and mastering this skill can enhance privacy and security. Let's explore different methods together.
I get lost sometimes and I can't seem to find a light between the walls.
How to change MAC address in Linux. In the world of communication, the MAC Media Access Control address plays a vital role as the fingerprint of our device on a network. However, there are situations where a change in identity isn't only desirable but necessary. In the Linux domain, having the ability to modify the MAC address is a skill worth acquiring. In this tutorial, we'll explore the methods to change the MAC address in a Linux system. What is a MAC address? Before diving into the intricacies of changing MAC addresses, let's briefly understand what they are. A MAC address is a unique identifier assigned to a network interface card NIC for facilitating communication within a network. It's composed of 6 pairs of hexadecimal digits, providing a distinctive identity to the device on a network. While MAC addresses are designed to be static, there could be situations where altering them becomes necessary. Why change a MAC address? There are various reasons one might want to change their MAC address. Some common reasons include network troubleshooting. In some cases, changing the MAC address can be a troubleshooting step to resolve conflicts or connectivity issues on a network. Privacy and anonymity. Changing the MAC address can enhance our privacy by preventing tracking based on our device's unique identifier. Security testing. Security professionals often change MAC addresses during penetration testing or security audits to simulate different devices on a network. This can help simulate different network scenarios and identify potential vulnerabilities. Let's start. Changing MAC address using macchanger. The macchanger tool is designed to alter the MAC address of a network interface. Firstly, let's install macchanger using apt-get if we haven't already. Step 1. Find your MAC address and network interface. Type ip-link show in terminal. Step 2. Install macchanger. On Arch Linux or Manjaro, sudo pacman macchanger. On Fedora, CentOS, RHEL, sudo dnf install macchanger. On Debian, Ubuntu, Linux Mint, and Kali Linux, sudo apt install macchanger.
Now, when I got you, it's all gonna be alright. Thinking about all the things we did tonight. What a time to be alive. Just you and I. Just you and
Important. You'll be asked to specify whether macchanger should be set up to run automatically every time a network device is brought up or down. This gives a new MAC address whenever you attach an Ethernet cable or re-enable Wi-Fi. I recommend not running it automatically unless you really need to change your MAC address every time. So choose No by pressing the Tab key and hit Enter key to continue. How to use macchanger to change MAC address? Do you remember your network interface name? You got it in step 1 earlier. Now, to assign any random MAC address to this network card, use sudo macchanger m12e17df8a3e5lan1 network name.
And all I need right now is for you to stay the night. But if you keep saying that you've got to leave, then I'm gonna be alright. As long as you tell me that we ain't running out of time. Thinking about all the things we did tonight. What a time to be alive. Just you and I.
Done. Verify changes. You can verify that the MAC address has been changed by running macchanger seto. ip-link show. Reset the MAC address using macchanger. Sudo macchanger p1. Verify interface name, MAC address name. ip-link show. ip-link show eno1.
Just you and I. Only you can put my fire out. You can turn it all around. And you can lift me off the ground. So we
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Codeflix for more tech adventures. Stay awesome. Got questions or facing any issues? Drop them in the comments below.